shudder, weak pull, and a harsh metal grind under load. What does that mean for your variable transmission? Yes, those signs mean the steel belt is slipping on the pulley faces and the transmission is already beyond repair. It will need a full replacement or a remanufactured unit. Here is why. This transmission moves power by squeezing two pulley halves hard against a steel push belt or chain. Oil pressure from the main pump makes that squeeze and must stay high and steady the whole time. If pressure drops, the belt loses grip and slides. The usual cause is a flow control valve piston stuck open inside the primary oil pump from abrasive wear, or a failed input shaft bearing that opens a leak path. With low clamp force, the belt skates across the smooth pulley faces. That slip makes fast heat. The hard steel links and the soft aluminum pulleys mill each other. That is the harsh grinding sound you hear. The metal fines then ride the fluid and plug the tiny passages and solenoids in the valve body, also called the mechatronics unit. Once those passages jam, the unit can lock and you lose drive. What should you do right now? Pull over as soon as you can do it safely and shut the engine off. Do not restart to test it. Even half a minute of runtime will move more metal through the pump, valve body, and cooler and will make the damage worse. Call for a tow. Ask for a flatbed so the transmission does not turn while moving the car. Tell the shop the exact symptoms: heavy shudder with power loss and a metallic grind under load. That short note points them to belt slip from lost line pressure. At the counter, do not approve a fluid change or an additive. Fresh fluid will not bring back clamp force once it grinds, and it can wash more debris into small passages. Do not approve valve body only. By the time you hear the grind, the pulley faces are scored and the belt links are cut. Those parts cannot be resurfaced. The fix is a complete unit replacement or a full remanufacture. Here is the simple picture to keep in mind. This design lives or dies on uninterrupted oil pressure that clamps the pulleys tight on the belt. A stuck flow control valve piston or a failed input shaft bearing leaks that pressure away. The belt then slides, makes heat, grinds metal, and sends that metal through the control system. That is why the shudder grows into a harsh grind, then into no drive. If you catch a light, early shudder before the grind, stop driving and get it checked at once. In some cases, a clean valve body and a free-moving valve can still save it if the pulleys are not scored. But once you hear that harsh metal scrape, the damage has passed that point. The debris has already moved through the system and the pulley faces are cut. At that stage, a complete unit is the only sound path forward. If you keep driving after the grind starts, a problem that might have been limited to control parts turns into total unit failure and more labor time for cleanup. Close this out with two key moves. Park it and shut it down now. Arrange a flatbed tow and plan for a replacement or remanufactured transmission. If your car only has a new, faint shudder, get it checked before you ever hear the grind.